Start the video. Start the video.
The video is already started. Oh, I'm on the top of the freaking tower.
Okay.
I'm gonna knock off this dude.
Hey guys, we're doing funny video. Yes.
I pushed off everyone from the tower.
I just saw someone fall. Wait, Kaden, jump down here. I want to see you. Oh, I just saw. Wait, was there a girl named Emmy is too cool? Or
Yes.
Cool? Yeah, I just saw her.
Yo, okay, I'm gonna fall off now. Hang on, I wanna use a impulse grenade to knock myself off.
Where are you?
Woo! Woo! That hurt. That hurt immensely.
Wait, hold up.
Yes! Stick him!
Yes!
I'm getting abused, guys.
Yeah.
Get him.
Yo.
Suck your mom.
No, I missed! Come on, who are you? This is.
Oh my god.
Yes! We double stuck him.
There he goes.
They get him.
I don't like the look of this Molly Rocks dude.
Alright, is this a copy and paste? I hate these types of people.
I don't, he looks like, bruh, he was like teleporting.
Oh shoot! What just happened? I think there's a hacker in the server.
Well, something happened. Bruh, here's what we're gonna do.
Was that you?
Bruh.
Yeah.
Oh, we've been bombing you this entire time.
Yes. Yes! Do it again! That's what it's like.
But my position is actually lit.
Pew! He took down everyone else with him.
Yes. I love when people do that. He's trying to push me.
Push him.
This means war.
Get him!
Go.
Nice.
Whoa! Yankee with no brim! Whoa! Yankee with no brim! Dude, get the stick guy! Get the stick guy! Get him!
No, I just knocked his girlfriend into the sky.
Oh, poor Bosco.
Oh!
He's stuck on the floor!
Yes!
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 It did a double. Did you see the double explosion?
You guys want to play Final Stand?
Bruh.
Yo, what's up, Kaden?
Bruh. No! I was about to push the copy paste.
Dude, these people are OD'ing, I think. This girl is chasing this guy.
Well, not anymore. Whee! Bruh. Bruh, that's some disgusting stuff, bruh. Hee. Bye, buddy. What? Oh, get the girl. Sweet. Pew.
Yo!
We're bullying these two people. Technically, we're doing good right now because ODing is against the terms of service.
Yes, we're doing a good thing. I got no!
Yeah, he always does that. Hey, bro.
Whee!
I got him. I got him.
Yo, he's by the edge. He better jump off. I want to push him.
Oh my god,
He committed no life.
You need a bomber off the map.
Someone sticker. Julio sticker. Oh, she left the game.
No!
Kaden, come here. Come by the
No
edge.
way, bro. No.
That was so funny.
Oh my god.
Woo! Just gonna. No!
Yes.
What just happened?
This is the perfect
Hacker. I love hackers.
I got the dead meme, guys. It's okay.
I got hit by the hacker and sent to another dimension.
I want to go play Final Stand now.
To be there.
Whoa! Yankee with no brim!
That dude literally just left. Hey, buddy. I want to be your friend. No, I
This
don't.
this girl saying bad words. Kaden, you know what to do.
L. Oh god. Yes! The dead meme bombed her! Sup? Oh shoot. Oh shoot, I can't push her. I can't push her. Crap!
Oh, I pushed you both.
Let me stand up. Let me stand up. Let me stand up so I can bomb her.
Sticker.
Yes! I think that hit her. I think that hit her.
Bro.
Oh!
That was so late.
She's super laggy.
No, listen. Are we gonna play Final Stand then?
Want to?
Oh,
We should do an all-in-one video.
Bruh.
Final Stand?
Bruh, I pushed her over. Oh, crud! Oh, she stuck it!
was glitched and it literally just.
No, what happened was it hit my hitbox. And then I brought the bomb from my hitbox. I brought it. Bruh, big head looking. Big head looking bad.